upgrading the Pentax K-3 III Monochrome's firmware and adding the new variable neutral density filter. Hi, Pentax Forum staff writer Chris Viola here with a look at some software upgrades for my Pentax K-3 III Monochrome. We got a review copy of the new ND filter from Ricoh Imaging Americas. Thanks to them for that. However, as always, this is our unbiased opinion of how this works on the K3, or will be. This time we're just going to take a look at the installation. Later we'll have shots with the K-3 III Monochrome in the field using the filter. I hope you enjoy this video and have a great Pentaxian day. Okay, so let's update the firmware on the Pentax K-3 III Monochrome, K3 Mark III Monochrome. So first what we're going to do is we're going to pull out the SD cards. The Monochrome has two slots. We need slot 1 for the firmware upgrade, but I'm going to pull both cards here just because I want to be on the safe side. And now I'm going to place a formatted SD card with the updated firmware on here that I've already updated. Okay, you do want to have your battery fully charged when you do this. Which I already have. So now I'm going to hold down the menu button while turning the camera on. And that brings us into firmware update mode. Going to move that up to execute. We're going from version 2 to version 2.2, which is the current version. I haven't really bothered with it so far because the original camera shipped with, I guess, or pre-shipment was at version 1. And there were a couple of other updates. By the time I got it, it was up to version 2 and just some bug fixes to 2.2. But you have to update it until you, so it's ready for the SD card, I'm sorry, for the graduated ND filter. Okay, so we're going to turn this off. And that's the firmware update. Next, we'll do the graduated ND filter. All right, so we've pulled out the SD card we used for the firmware update and restored the regular SD cards. So let's turn the camera back on. Hopefully everything is copacetic. I'm always slightly nervous after a firmware update, but yep, we are good to go. Now we're going to go into the menu system. And we're going to go into, let's see. Now we're already over to firmware updates and options. And we're going to go to limited function. And we're going to click in here. And so this is all you do. After you push this here, you're going to use the camera to scan a QR code on a screen. Now obviously I'm not putting a live unlock QR code on YouTube, so you will have to just imagine that part. But that's it. That's the entire process. Hope this video has been helpful and instructional, and we'll have an actual review of the software in a week or two. And thanks again to Ricoh Imaging Americas for letting us review this software. We are excited to see how this works, especially with it being fall in Texas. The skies are dramatic. So thanks. Have a great Pentaxian weekend. Bye.